What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Dimonriva, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a tailspin. Now, if you know anything about cocktails, you'll know that the tailspin is literally just a Bijou cocktail with the addition of Campari. I have tried to do a dive on this and figure out what the history is, and I have come up completely empty-handed. A lot of people were introduced to this cocktail by the Death & Company cocktail book, but I have seen and heard of this cocktail kicking around a little bit. And the Campari adds enough of a flavor profile and makes it different enough that, sorry, you know that I forget stuff, but I saw the stuff right there, so I just grabbed it. Anyway, the Campari makes a different enough flavor profile that I thought it was good enough to make a drink out of. So, what we're going to do, first thing we're going to do is we're going to rinse this glass with Campari. Now, I know a lot of people like to dump out their rinse. I like to put just enough in so that we don't dump anything, because I kind of feel like that's a waste of booze, and I don't want to waste booze. So we're just going to rinse it, and we're just going to leave the Campari in the bottom of the glass, right? There you go. Make sure it's nice and rinsed. If you want, and you have an atomizer that you can spare for Campari, you can put it in an atomizer and you can spray it. If you do it with an atomizer, it's going to be a lot more aromatic. I do not have a free atomizer for the Campari, so I'm just going to do a rinse this way. Also, if you think that's a little bit too much, you can always just drink a little of your rinse so that you don't waste the Campari. There. That's enough. There we go. So, we're just going to do, and the specs are a little bit different. First, we're going to do, well, we'll do this. 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. One ounce of green chartreuse. And then 1.5 beefeater. If you want to use another kind of gin other than beefeater, just make sure that you use a nice traditional London dry. Ah, there we go. Into the cocktail you go, my friend. There we go. A little big one on top, and let's stir it. Oh, don't drop your tumbles. All right, time to strain it. Yeah, I lost a little Campari there, but that's all right. Then, we're going to finish it off with a little lemon twist. Rub it around, put it on the top. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, the Campari adds a slightly more bitter note, going very well with the Chartreuse, which is actually kind of a surprise to me, to tell you the truth. Again, you know, as with the Bijou, you know, these two guys work together so well. They're just like the Cokie, sweet vermouth, and the green Chartreuse are definite flavor buddies. You're raising the booze level and getting those nice botanicals with the gin, and you're adding this nice bitter note from the Campari. But because it's just a rinse, the Campari is not the dominant flavor, which is really nice because it's a very strong flavor profile. So all of these are like very nice, big, you know, flavorful spirits, and it made a very nice cocktail. So there you have it, my friends. The Bijou variation, the Tailspin. Now remember, like and subscribe, and definitely check out our Patreon at the patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. See you next time, guys.